Hey everybody, so what you saw yesterday was that comic reveal, which is amazing. I mean, they did such a great job. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch that video. I mean, what an amazing job. They started off with this real classic comic book superhero style, and then they go, He-Man and company go into the Cryptoyverse, and they get Cryptoified, and they just have that same, you know, small, bubbly, chunky, cute look that they all have. I'm not going to tell you anything beyond that. You're going to have to go and watch the video and see. With that, they had a buy one, get one promotion. So you buy any cube, UFO, MOTU, Star Wars, or Mickey and Friends, and they'll match them. Buy one, get one, buy 10, get 10, whatever the case may be. But we did 5. One max mint of 5. And here's why. If you buy one, you get the comic. If you buy 3, you get the comic with a rare cover. If you buy 5, you get the comic with a grail cover, the rare cover, and the common cover. Plus, when you max mint 5, you get a golden ticket. So we got 5. So we have 5 cubes. We have a golden ticket added. We get the covers. And
all of that. All the covers.
And common, the buy one, get one. So rare. We have 5 more coming.
Yep.
Common, rare, and grail.
Yeah, common, rare, and grail.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's it. So we're going to open a cube like we always do. But we've been thinking about it, and we're going to do this differently. What we've been doing is if we pull something new, we go again. And if we pull a dupe, we stop. We're going to flip that upside down. So if we pull something new, we're going to stop. New, exciting, we celebrate. We make a face like he's making right now. We go, look what we got! And then we're done.
Yeah.
If we pull a dupe, we're going to go again. Because we're going to try to get something new. All right? So that's the idea. You guys have watched 100 of these videos so far. I don't know, more than that probably. And we just figured it does get a little boring to watch us pull common after common after common or whatever. So if we get a dupe, try again. You get a dupe, try again. We're going to keep going until we get a winner. Now, we only have 5 Cryptoys cubes for MOTU. So if we don't score in 5, then we will have to stop until the new ones come in.
I'm just so excited. That's why I keep doing this. I'm so excited.
Now,
that's why I keep
we're not going to tell you which wave we pulled. If you know the cubes well enough, you'll know which one they are. Because there's 3 MOTU waves, and each wave has its own cube design. So we're not going to tell you which one. But what we do have is, we do have a look here. And if you guys were quick enough, you just kind of saw it was highlighted. And it'll be obvious. So I think I probably just gave it away a couple of times. So you can see we're pretty light, right, in these upper tiers of rarities. So let's see who we have. Now, here we go. So, Nick, we're going to open, maybe, if we pull dupes, we may open all 5. If we pull a good one, we're going to stop after the first one. So, which one do you want to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Number 3. Great. Go for it.
Right in the middle.
Let's keep going. Go ahead. It's been a while since we've seen the He-Man unboxing, so it'll be fun to go back.
Yeah, I forgot what it looked like. Oh, yeah.
So we go into that vortex. And here we go.
Like
and there's
always, in all of them, I'm pretty sure we go into like some type of...
Yeah, some sort of a warp or vortex. They're all like unique to that property, whether it's MOTU or Star Wars or Mickey or whatever. But yeah, there is that similar traveling interdimensional one. All right, that cube's breathing. It is waiting to be opened, buddy. You ready for it? Press and hold. All right, there we go. So the old MOTU doesn't have that ring the way Mickey does.
What ring?
You know, when you hold it, the ring goes around to show you the progress. All right, here we go. What's it gonna be? Common Orko, which we have, as we can see here, Common Orko. So that means very noisy.
Yes.
All right, Common Orko. We've got a bunch of these, which means we're going back to the backpack.
Our battle cats.
And which one now, bud? No, Battle Cats Wave 1. So there won't be any in here.
I just keep trying to go for the middle, but there's no middle, so I'm just trying.
That's right.
One of them close to the middle.
On Mickey and Friends, what I was saying before was when you press and hold it, like a little blue ring pops up, and then it completes, and then it gets ready to open. And
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, like, maybe.
Yeah, we can go back and watch. All right. Oh, it did. It just went it this time. I just saw it. It didn't do it last time. Weird. All right. Did Daddy do it? A common orco! Okay.
Alright, that one does not deserve this.
292. That's pretty low. That's good, though.
Oh, good.
Not bad. Not bad. But that means we're going to go again.
Yeah.
We're going to open all 5 in one video.
Me.
It's going to be a fun video, but it also means nothing new. All right.
Yeah.
Your turn. Ooh, you didn't go for the middle this time.
Ooh.
It's okay. Whichever you want.
Oops, I meant to go for the middle.
To Eternia we go. Okay, let's go. Let's go, He-Man. Give us something good. What do we need? Ooh, Common Beastman and Trapjaw we don't have.
Oh yeah, we always try to get Beastman. Now
That's a good comment. Uncommon Trapjaw, that we have. That we have. So we pulled 2 common Orcos that we have, and then an uncommon Trapjaw that we have. I feel like I want to feed him like nuts and bolts to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, another good cereal. There we go.
Even better.
Wow. Okay, so that's 3 to go. We're going to open all these in one shot. Okay.
All right.
Daddy's turn. I'm doing this one. And then you get the last one. We'll see. Come on, buddy.
Let's do this.
Let's end this video with something new.
Something new.
Doesn't even have to be a Grail or an Ultra Grail. Just something we don't have.
New.
Something new to us.
Beastman.
Get your fingers off. It's my turn. All right. Breathe. Open. Here we go.
I just want proof to give us a common Beastman.
I like how you think. Uncommon, which we also have. I like how you think Poof has control over this.
I don't know, Will, Alfonso?
Nobody does. That's it. It's random. Nobody knows what's in there. All right, kiddo.
Okay.
Last one. Look at this. All 5 in one video. It's fun to have a long video, but, we would have liked to have gotten something new. So maybe we do right now. Waiting for the end. Come on.
Let's do this.
All right. This is it. Last chance in this set. Come on, buddy. Your magic touch.
Let's do it.
Get it back.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa! Legendary Orco! That we don't have!
Yes!
That we don't have!
I knew it.
Look at it! Legendary Orco! Let's go ahead and grab that color.
That?
Look at that. Number 5. You guys made us hold out to the last second, but we love it. Wow, look at him. The gold. All right, shh.
It was Poof, Alfonso, or
Will.
Will.
Look at that. And 218 and a good cereal. Look at that, man. Well, there you go. There you go. So I like it this way, right? Dupe, 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 dupe. Boom.
Yeah.
Winner.
Yeah.
Wow. Good cereal, good pull. Awesome. That was fun. We're going to keep doing it this way, I think. All right? Keep pulling those dupes until we get something special. Celebrate.
He's so cool.
Yeah, he is great.
Do they have foods in this one? Food?
Yeah, food was
Rare.
I feel like you're right. Let's go take a quick...
Rare. I'm pretty sure it's rare.
Oops. Explore. Now we want to go to collect. Let's see. Common, uncommon. Oh no, epic. Epic's food. Rarer all of like the elements, right? The rusty Trapjaw that we wanted. So they opened up a cube on the live stream, and they got they gave this one away, the orange peel. Trapjaw, which looks great.
Which we do not have.
Nope.
Do we have any epics?
Oh,
we have Peppermint Orco?
No, we never got Peppermint Orco. We have Sorceress and Man-at-Arms. And Sorceress is Flan and Man-at-Arms. I think Man-at-Arms is definitely the mushroom.
Yes, and Sorceress is Flan.
Yeah, we don't have the Eggplant Skeletor or the Rainbow Swirl Panther.
I would not. You know what I would really like? I would just like to wake up in the morning with Skeletor and Darth Vader cryptified fighting. That would be fun.
Man. Yeah. That would be cool.
Just waking up in your bedroom, them standing on your bed, cryptified.
So here's the question. Which Skeletor? I know which one I would choose.
Which?
No, you tell me which one you want.
I don't know.
You got the old school common.
Yeah.
You got this one here. You've got the lava fire one.
No, not him. Not him.
The eggplant one. The gold one. With the gold grill teeth. The Grail or the Ultra Grail. So which Skeletor would you want to see fighting Darth Vader?
Common.
The common?
Yeah.
For me, it's him.
I actually changed my mind.
I love
Eggplant for me.
I love both of these. These are my two favorite rares.
Yeah.
And then...
Yeah. For me, I changed my mind. It is definitely common.
And then, let's go... Wait a second now. Coming back here. Which Vader? Common. Rare. Legendary. Grail. Or Ultra Grail?
Grail.
Grail, huh?
He's just like... I like him.
Now, for me, it's common because that's just the old school scary Vader. But in the Cryptoy world, this Vader, common Vader, would lose against...
Skeletor.
Against Skeletor.
Really?
Well, because Rare has a higher statometer.
Oh, yeah. I'm actually not talking about, like actually fighting. I'm actually talking about just yelling at each other kind of fighting.
Just yelling, just them screaming at each other?
Yeah.
That would be funny. There we go.
That's fun.
Well, that was fun, guys. Here we go. 12-minute, nice long video because we had to open a whole bunch to get the one that we were hoping for. Something new, something fun. There we go. All right. We will come back with more. Don't forget, we still have a bunch to look through, right? We still have 5 more Star Wars holocrons. We have 15 more Mickey and Friends. And we have 5 more MOTU Wave 2s on the way from the buy one, get one. So, there you go. We have 151 wrapped. We have 22 all the way open. Hello, Juno. He's so cute waving at us. Cute. And we have 25 more to go. So, there we go. That's it. And we are... moving along. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.